Cite before you click, the evidence rule. Here's the rule that changes everything. Every correct SAT answer has direct support in the passage, not implied, not inferred from what you already know, directly stated. Before you select any answer, finish this sentence out loud. This is supported by line blank. If you can't finish it, eliminate that choice. Your opinion doesn't count on this test. Points to specific lines as proof. This is how every correct answer works on the SAT. Tip: if you can't point to a specific line you're guessing, eliminate that choice. Your 4-step answer check. 1. Every correct answer is in the passage. 2. Before clicking, supported by line dash dash. 3. Can't finish the sentence. Eliminate. 4. Your opinion doesn't count. The passage does. Hope you find these hacks useful. Like and subscribe for more.